My name is John Jengan. If I grow up, I want to be a president.
My name is Masi Anjiru. When I grow up, I want to be a banker. My name is Nancy Nyaboke. When I grow up, I want to be a lawyer.
My name is Aaron Macharia. When I grow up, I want to be a pilot.
My name is James Muiso. If I grow up, I want to be a police. My name is Peace Mayaka. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor. My name is Yuri Tuanjiku. When I want to my future be a nurse.
My name is Johnson Mwangi. When I grow up, I want to be a pilot.
My name is Silaspa. When I grow up, I want to be a dancer.
There's some kids who come from a family where they are not able to even afford the meal a day. And we told God that we trust you in this. Enable us to be able to clothe them, to buy all the stationery for them, and to feed them in the school. We have these kids today, they are doing so great, and so many others from the same families that we are supporting, helping, buying the school uniform, books, and feeding them. Today we have 450 kids in Jami School. We have 16 teachers, 10 classrooms. The most challenging part to us is the facilities. We don't have a conducive environment to do our work. We don't have good classrooms. We also don't have enough to pay for our teachers. Our kids today are looking healthy and our teachers looking very strong because of the support that we get from Kisimani towards the food program. People of this community, Langas, believe that Jami is giving the best, instilling the knowledge of God into the life of their children, changing life. And people believe that if Jami could be in a better position to be able to give all that it takes to be, then this community will totally change. Our kids are amazing. They love being in school, even when it is not time for them to be in school, because they prefer being in school because it's a better place for them than their homes, because they have people to love them, they have people to take care of them. And if the Jami community or Langas become a better place, we are going to have a better Kenya.